1. What is the stock market? A beginner's guide. Sabri vlog. The stock market refers to the collection of exchanges and platforms where buying and selling of stocks, also known as shares or equity securities, takes place. It provides a marketplace for individuals and institutions to trade stocks issued by publicly traded companies. In the stock market, investors can buy and sell shares of ownership in companies, allowing them to participate in the company's growth and profit potential. When a company decides to go public, it issues shares to the public through an initial public offering, IPO, or other methods, thereby becoming a publicly traded company. The stock market facilitates the trading of these shares between buyers and sellers. Stock exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or NASDAQ in the United States, are physical or electronic platforms where stocks are listed, traded, and regulated. Companies list their stocks on these exchanges, and investors can place orders to buy or sell shares through brokerage accounts. The stock market serves several purposes. 1. Capital raising. Companies can raise capital by selling shares to investors in exchange for ownership. This capital can be used for business expansion, research and development, acquisitions, or debt repayment. 2. Investment opportunities. The stock market provides investors with opportunities to invest in companies and potentially earn returns through price appreciation and dividends. 3. Liquidity. The stock market offers liquidity, allowing investors to convert their investments into cash relatively quickly by selling their shares. 4. Price discovery. The stock market helps determine the prices of stocks based on the supply and demand dynamics between buyers and sellers. Stock prices reflect market participants' perceptions of a company's value and its future prospects. 5. Economic indicators. The performance of the stock market is often seen as an indicator of the overall health and confidence in the economy. Rising stock prices are generally associated with positive economic conditions, while declining stock prices can signal economic concerns. It's important to note that investing in the stock market carries risks.
Thank you for your joining us. Please subscribe, like, and follow our social media channel. If you feel this information will be useful to you or someone else, please share this video. Comments with your thoughts and questions.